Hello to all of my Donnas them. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I am going to show you how I made these cookies, nuts with oatmeal. They are delicious and so healthy. So we are going to use a piece of grey coconut. I'm going to use some flaxseed, peanut, some berries, oatmeal, nutsy, mixed nuts. As you can see, we have almond there, all different kind of nuts. We're going to just dice these nuts because we don't want them to be full and too big. We're going to add like 3 tablespoons of maple syrup. We're just going to mix that in. We're going to just add the coconut to the nuts, and we're going to cover that up about an hour so everything could just marinate and soak in together. I apologize for this. It's bad viewing. But as you can see, I was just setting them so I could put them in the oven, but did not realize my camera wasn't perfect. Okay, but this is the finishing, and I'm going to put them in the oven right now for 35 minutes on 350 degree. Just want to let you know that my one-on-one cooking session is now available on my stand store, Chef Donna. I am going to put the link in the comment section, and you could reach out to me, send me an email, and I will get right back at you so we could set up our one-on-one and prepare what you want to cook. Okay, so see you in the next one. Bye guys. As I'm literally here eating this cookie, I said I have to put up my camera so you could see me bite into it. Guys, it is so healthy. It's just a little different from the other cookies that you would normally have, because it's packed with a lot of nuts and oatmeal. I didn't put any sugar, just a little maple syrup, you know, little things to like hold it together. But it's so crunchy. So good. If you try this recipe, let me know in the comment section. I'm here sitting at my work desk right now, and I'm saying to myself, let's go get a cookie because it's cool. I had like 2 already, and I went back for another one. Really good. Crunchy and delicious. Anyway, guys, stuff like this, it's really packed with a lot of stuff. You know? You could have a bite. And as I said earlier, my one-on-one will be available. My one-on-one is now available on my stand store. Book an appointment with me. My calendar is there. I'm gonna have group sessions, so make sure you inbox me. Come live all the time. I love cook, so why not share that with you? Okay. The peanuts, everything is just so good. The berries, it helped give it that moisture. Healthy. 2025, all about healthiness. See you later. Bye guys.